D. Sharma, Class 6, Mathematics, Chapter number 11, Angles. In that an angle is a figure formed by two rays with that same initial point. Now this is called an angle. Okay, here it is forming an angle. This called arms. Here B is arm and OA is arm, and O is called vertex. Then naming angle. If you want to name the angle, here angle 2 is given, so we can write angle 2S and angle 2A, so angle A. Okay, now interior angle and exterior angle. Interior angle means inner side of angle. This is angle P is in on point P is interior of the angle and point Q and R is exterior of the angle. Point A and B is on the arms, which is called point A, and point B is on the angle, and O is called the vertices. Now let us see with an exercise what is called exercise 11.1. Write the arms and the vertices of angle LPMP given in figure 11.14. Now we have to find the angle that is LMP. Their arms. Arms means this one. This is called arms. So arms. Which are the arms? MP and ML. And vertices. Vertex is M. Okay, only this much you have to do. How many angles are formed in the figure 11.15, 1, 2 and 3? Name that. Now how many angles are forming here? This angle 1, angle 2 and 3. How many angles? 3 angles. And name them. So we can name angle A, angle B and angle C. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Same as in second one also. Okay, so second one, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many angles are forming? 4. So 4 angles and name them. So which are the name? A, B, C, D. So angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Third one. See the third one. How many angles are forming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this whole angle 7. Here also whole angle is 8. Okay. So here what we have to write? First of all 8 angles, and angles name is, we will write whole angle name. So angle, if you want to write angle A, so we will write angle DAC. So angle DAC. If you want to indicate the angle, you have to write in the middle that angle. Okay. Then we will write these D angles. So angle ADC. Angle ADC. Then this C. Okay. Upper side C. So ACD. Angle ACD. Another angle, this lower side C. So angle ACB. Angle ACB. This B angle is angle CBA. So angle CBA. Then lower side A, that is BAC. Angle BAC. And the whole angle this is called DAB. Angle DAB. And this whole angle is DCB. So DCB. These are the whole 8 angle. Question number 4. In figure 11.16, list the point which are first one in the interior of P, angle P, second in the exterior of angle P and lies on angle P. We have to see here. Now which are the points are in the interior of the P? First one. Which are the point? Point J and C. So first one answer is point J, small j, C, and C, point C. Okay. Now exterior of angle P. So D and B. So second one, point D, B and D. Okay, point D and B, and lies on P. Lies on angle P means angle A and angle M. So third one answer is point M and A. Okay. Now in figure 11.17, write another name for this. We have to see 1-7, another name for angle 1. So angle 1, another name what we will write, DOB. So angle DOB. If you want to write angle 2 this one, COB, angle COB, and angle 3 is COA, angle COA, and angle 4 how to write, AOD, angle AOD. Okay, these are the short name, and another name of this angle is this one. Now in figure 11.18, write another name for. Now this one also figure we have to write another name of angle 1. So which angle we have to see, this angle, like this way, 1. So which one it is, EPB. So angle EPB. If we write angle 2, then PQC, angle PQC, and if you write angle 3, then angle DQF, DQF. Question number 7. In figure 11.19, which of the following statements are true? Point B is the interior of angle AOB. Point B is the interior of angle AOB. False. Right? It is on the angle, lies on the angle AOB. Point B is the interior of angle AOC. AOC. True, because it is in the interior of the angle AOC. So it is true. Point A is the interior of angle AOD. AOD is point A is in the interior, it is written. No, it is on the angle AOD. So it is false. Point C is the exterior of the angle AOB. Point C is the exterior. AOB exterior, it is there. Yes, so true. Point D is the exterior of angle AOC. Point D is the exterior of angle AOC. Point D. Yes, true. Question number 8. Which of the following statements are true? The vertex of an angle lies in its interior. So it is false, because vertex is on the angle. The vertex of an angle lies in the exterior. False. The vertex of an angle lies on it. Yes, true, because vertex in the middle, so it is on the angle. Now question number 9. By simply looking at the pair of an angle given in figure 11.20, state which of the following angle in each of the pair is greater. Now in this first one, which angle is greater, only we have to write there. Okay, so state which of the angle in each pair is greater. Okay, which here in the first one, which is angle is greater, this one. So angle AOB is greater. Now second one, which one is greater, this NML or PQR? PQR is greater, so angle PQR. Okay. Third one, here which one is greater, angle ZYX or UVW? So UVW is greater, so angle UVW. Thank you for watching this video.